อะไรนะ คุณอยู่กับใคร คุณอยู่กับใคร Who do you live with? Next. How many siblings do you have? แปลว่าอะไรภาษาไทยคนมีพี่น้องกี่คนคนมีพี่น้องกี่คน Okay, what are your favorite hobbies or activities? แปลว่าอะไรภาษาไทยชอบงานอดิเรกกับอะไร Next, this one, read. What is your favorite sport or physical activity? Next. Do you have any special talents or skills? Next. What are your favorite subjects in school? Pero wala rin pa sa tayo. Chob, Wicha, Aray, Nairong, Rian. Okay, why do you like these subjects? Next. What do you want to learn more about this year? Pero wala rin pa sa tayo. Kun, Yak, Rian, Aray, Naipini. Why are you clapping? What are your goals for this school year? What is something you want to achieve in the future? Okay, what is your favorite food? Pero wala rin pa sa tayo. Konchob, kin, ahan, aray. Okay. Do you have a favorite book or author? Do you have a favorite book? Pero wala rin pa sa tayo. Kon chob ng su aray. Next. Okay, what's one interesting or fun fact about you? Okay, do you have any pets? If yes, tell us about them. Do you have any pets? Pero wala rin pa sa tayo. Kon mi sat liang may. Okay, what's one thing you've always wanted to learn or try? Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class.